In this example, we're going to show you how to use Power BI with the Natural Language Processing Q&A module. So in this example, we have data from the World Health Organization. It's open public data. This is just an example Power BI template. So in this case, what I did is I added the Q&A module, and I trained the module on how I want people to be able to ask questions about the data. I also trained the module to be able to show some suggested questions here. So for example, I could say total public funds in United Kingdom. You can see how it gives me other suggestions here, but let me just try this. So I could type it in like that, or I could use one of these suggestions. Here are other suggestions I programmed it to put in there. I could also say show all data for Afghanistan, for example. You'll see when I type in here, it's going to also give me some suggestions. Of course, for this to happen, all the data needs to be related properly to each other so that it can pull the data and know how the relationship should be structured. Because this has been set up, I'm able to use this Q&A, and users could use this Q&A as an example to be able to ask ad hoc questions that haven't been previously developed as reports. This can allow users to query the data based upon their specific needs, their specific questions, but of course they have to vet the data that they get to make sure it's meaningful for them, because people could easily misinterpret this data. But this shows an example of how natural language processing can be incorporated into a Power BI report such as this.